Good morning. Have a great day, everybody. It's going to be, another hot and humid day. Actually, we started to feel the humidity a little bit more yesterday, and that story continues today and as we head through the next several days. So very hot weather pattern is going to set up shop. Let's talk about temperatures from yesterday. We did make it to 85 degrees in Knoxville, so a solid average day yesterday. And I say that because we're going to soar well above average by nearly 10 degrees as we head through the next couple of days. So, okay, here we go. Yes, today we really start to feel the heat and humidity. High pressure brings us more heat and humidity to wrap up the week. Saturday, it's going to be hot, but a little bit drier air settles its way on in. Sunday is going to be hotter with more humid. Likely the hottest day, if you're really to count it specifically, of the next 7 days. But still looking rather hot and dry and, toasty next week. So your forecast for the day today, we start the morning off with temperatures in the 60s. Remember, those morning lows are coming up thanks to the humidity coming up. We're gonna make our way into the low 80s for the lunch hour, so warm for the lunch hour. Highs today will be in the upper 80s to maybe our first 90 of the season. That process starts today. And so it's going to make for a toasty evening if you have outdoor plans. 84 degrees by 8 o'clock tonight. That makes it nice if you're going to be in the shade, on the patio. Once the sun goes down, it's going to be a solid summer night. Dew points continue to stay on the higher side. Now a little dip in those dew points on Saturday, but then the dew points climb back in the mid to upper 60s as we get into our Sunday, Monday, Tuesday time frame. And because high pressure is anchored across the southeastern coastline, that's what's pumping in the moisture. But notice a cold front to our northwest. That cold front's going to slide its way into the area as we get into our Friday, Saturday time frame. So that's why those dew points come down just a bit on Saturday. But the heat doesn't go anywhere because we've got an upper level ridge swinging its way in from the desert southwest into the southern Great Plains. That upper level ridge is going to be responsible for bringing us the sinking air, subsidence, warmer temperatures. And that's why our temps will stay in the low to mid 90s. Plus, Sunday is likely to be the hottest day because high pressure is going to be anchored in right over the Appalachian region. So what you're looking at are forecast heat index values. The reds indicate anything of 90 degrees or hotter of how it's going to feel, right? 90 degrees or hotter. So you can see the valley. We're going to be in the low to mid 90s for heat index values today. Tomorrow we'll do it again. And then Saturday, a little dip in those heat index values as that front moves its way on through, but it doesn't last very long. Big swath of more moisture, Gulf moisture heads our way, especially across the Mississippi River Valley, where we'll have heat index values mid to upper 90s, low 100s. And that's going to be the story again on into our Monday and Tuesday time frame. Minimal chances for rain. I think if we see anything at all, at least through the weekend, likely to be across the highest peaks of the Smokies or over into North Carolina. So really not a lot of precipitation expected. Diurnally driven thunderstorms. We got to heat up the air. Higher elevations will likely get the best chance anyways for seeing some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. And you can clearly see over the next 7 days by the Weather Prediction Center, high pressure is going to bring us, rather dry weather conditions as well. Temperature trend, we're going to stay in the upper 80s to low to mid 90s. Again, Sunday's likely to be the hottest day thanks to high pressure anchored in aloft over East Tennessee and much of the Appalachian region. Plus, we've got the high dew points, and that's what's going to put our heat index values into the mid to upper 90s, close to 100 degrees. Morning lows will warm up, so those typical summertime mornings are going to be hanging out with us here over the next several days as well, next 7 days at least, if not maybe just a little bit longer than that. Stay on top of the latest weather forecast. Download the East Tennessee Weather app. It's 100% free. Just go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and search East TN Weather, all one word. And you get your daily forecast, 1 minute with Witcher, and updated temperatures all day, every day. And if you're traveling on vacation, the East Tennessee Weather app travels with you as well. Have a great day. Try to stay as safe as you can as we get into the heat. And wear plenty of sunscreen. UV index is going to be on the high side. See you soon.